Hello and welcome friends. I am your teacher Ankit in Aanav Creations in Digital Marketing Season 2. Today our topic is fine-tune keywords. Keywords are the most important things in the digital marketing. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of this video. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As you know, the keywords are the basics of the digital marketing or online marketing. Even in SEO, in SEM, SMO and FMM, the keyword match types fine tuning is a very important thing in the real world as well. So, hi. Want to make your search engine marketing efforts even more successful? Of course you do. In this video, we will be exploring a feature called keyword match types and learning about how using different match types can increase your control over which searches trigger your ads. Did you know that search engine might also show your ads when people search for other terms as well? Terms you didn't specifically choose. That's because search engines can show your ads when people search for variations of your keywords. This is called broad matching. Most of the time, broad match is useful for us. It means that you don't have to add any variations of the keyword you did like to target, like singulars, plurals, and misspellings. But this flexibility also means that sometimes search engines show you ads for keywords that are relevant to your business, which are not actually. Using keyword match types can help. Let's say you are a portrait photographer. As you brainstorm keywords for your ad campaign, you might consider Indian photographer. If you include this keyword, a search for Indian photographer could trigger one of your ads even though the person making the search might not be looking for exactly what you are offering for. What if they are actually looking to buy prints of photography of the city of New Delhi, or someone to photograph an event in New Delhi, or do a commercial magazine shoot? Any of these searches could potentially trigger your ad, but the searchers are not likely customers. One way to prevent ads from appearing on these searches is to choose more specific keywords. Since your target customer is probably searching for things like New Delhi portrait photographer or New Delhi family portraits. On top of that, you can add match type or further refine the results as well. How do you do that? Let's take a look. Keywords are broad match by default. Aside from broad match, the other primary match types are phrase match and exact match. To change broad match to phrase, simply place quotations around the keyword. So the keyword New Delhi portrait photographer becomes New Delhi portrait photographer. Phrase match tells Google Ads or Bing Ads that adverts can't be displayed unless the search includes the entire phrase of that. So, if someone searches for New Delhi portrait photographer, that's great. Your ads can show up. Minor variations like plural are included. This means that a search for New Delhi portrait photographers can also trigger your ad. But if someone searches for a more generic New Delhi photographer, your ad won't show because the word for portrait is missing in that particular phrase. With phrase match, the searchers can include words before and after the phrase, so West Delhi portrait photographer could also trigger an ad. To get some more specific, exact match keywords are distinguished by enclosing the word or phrase in square brackets. So, the keyword Delhi portrait photographer becomes New Delhi portrait photographer. Now, if someone searches for portrait photographer, your ad can't appear because it does not match the keywords exactly the same. Along the same lines, a search for New Delhi photographer also would not trigger your ad. Unlike phrase match, the ad can't display if the searcher includes additional words, but minor variations like plurals can still trigger your ad. As you change the keywords from broad match to phrase to exact, that restricts the opportunities for ads to display. This is the main issue. As you add restrictive match types of keywords, you will probably notice that your traffic quantity goes down, but traffic quality should improve, and that's what matters here. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of that particular video. And hit the comment section and if you have any queries. Thank you very much. Have a good day.